Few things make a home feel older or more worn than squeaky floors or cracked tiles. Luckily, both problems can be fixed without replacing the entire floor. Here's how to stop floor squeaks and repair tile cracks like a pro. Let's start with squeaky floors. Squeaks happen when floorboards rub against each other or the nails holding them come loose from the subfloor. The key to fixing it is to locate the exact source of the noise. Walk slowly across the room and listen carefully. Once you find the squeak, have someone stand on it while you work. If you can reach the floor from below, like in a basement, apply construction adhesive where the subfloor meets the joist to strengthen the connection. If you can't access the floor from underneath, use a special squeak repair kit from a hardware store. These kits include breakaway screws designed to pull the floorboard tightly to the subfloor without damaging the surface. Drill the screw directly into the squeaky spot, then snap off the head for an invisible fix. For hardwood floors, you can also try sprinkling powdered graphite or talcum powder between the boards. It reduces friction and quiets small squeaks instantly. Now let's tackle crack tiles. Cracks usually happen from shifting subfloors or heavy impact. The good news? You can often repair them without retiling the entire area. For small hairline cracks, use a clear epoxy or tile repair kit. Clean the area thoroughly and apply the epoxy into the crack using a fine brush or toothpick. Smooth it out and let it cure for 24 hours. Once dry, the crack will be sealed and nearly invisible. If the tile is badly cracked or loose, it's better to replace it. Use a hammer and chisel to carefully break out the damaged tile. Scrape away the old adhesive, spread a new layer of thin-set mortar, and press in the replacement tile. Use spacers to keep alignment perfect and allow it to set for 24 hours before grouting. When grouting, press the grout firmly into the joints with a rubber float, then wipe away excess with a damp sponge. After it dries, seal the grout to prevent moisture in future cracks. A few pro tips. For squeaky wood floors, avoid driving random nails through the boards. It can cause more movement. Always use screws that anchor firmly into the joists. And for tile repairs, keep a few spare tiles from your original installation for future fixes. Color matching later can be tough. Finally, prevention is everything. Floors squeak less when the home's humidity stays consistent. Use a humidifier in dry seasons and check for loose subflooring during remodels. For tiles, proper underlayment and flexible grout prevent cracks before they start. Stopping floor squeaks and fixing cracked tiles might seem like small tasks, but the results make a huge difference. Smooth, silent floors and flawless tiles not only improve comfort, they make your home feel solid, well cared for, and truly yours.